Welcome to Cooking with Zilana, and today I want to show you how I made my marshmallow roses. They came out very beautiful. Purim is coming, so I decided to make this time a non-traditional Hamentashen, which is marshmallow Hamentashen. It's the same recipe, but they came out so tasty that I would like you guys to try. So first you take 3 eggs that you separate them from the yolk egg and the white egg. I have this little separated, my little helper that made the job much easier and faster. This is a very easy recipe, 4 ingredients. So we start with 3 eggs that we separated, half a cup of orange juice, and 1 stick of either butter or margarine. In my case, I use margarine. Room temperature. You basically mix it all together, and you add 2¼ cups of flour to that mixture, and you mix it all around. The flour that you add, it's supposed to be self-rising flour. As usual, guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and families, and of course press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not with me yet, Cooking with Zilana. Guys, don't forget to check me out in my social medias. On Facebook, I have a page and a group, Cooking with Zilana, and on Instagram as well. This dough comes out really fast, and it's easy to work with it. It took me about maybe 5 minutes to put everything together. I forgot to add an orange zest to this dough. So zest from 1 orange, I would say it's a must to put there. I mean, it's just gonna make it nicer, give it aroma. Don't skip that step, please. For the marshmallow, you have to add 3 egg whites. Make sure your bowl is dry and the mixer is dry as well. Slowly add 1/4 cup of sugar, and then once the sugar is incorporated, you can add 1/4 cup of pudding vanilla. This Hamentashen came out so good, so unique, fluffy, and so tasty. Once you open the dough, you basically have to put all the marshmallow that we've made, put it on top. It may look like it's a lot, but it's not. If you guys want to make your roses smaller than what I made, make 2 separate rolls. I like my roses to be big and nice, so I made 1 roll, 1 big roll. Make sure when you roll the roll, don't make it too tight. It has to be airy inside. You have to have a sharp knife to cut those roses gently, and then once you transfer them to the tray, you have to make sure that you open them a little bit. That makes it a good look to roses. I get a lot of questions from you guys about the tools that I use. So I get phone calls, what kind of knife you use, what kind of this you use. So always check my description below. I might place the links so you guys can check it out. Once the roses are ready, I just sprinkle on top nuts that I crushed. And on the other roses, I just sprinkled colorful rainbow sugar that I had. So that just makes it a nice color. Obviously, you can leave it as is or do whatever I did, but the nuts gives a great taste. And I put it in the oven for about 25 minutes on 350 degrees. And look at this beauty. Oh my God, they were so beautiful. I don't think this video is actually showing you the real beauty of those roses. They were not just beautiful, they were also so tasty.
Groggers loud and clear. Here go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Here go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Here go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Pouring time is here. Here go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Here go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Here go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Pouring time is here.
I just want to break one for you guys so you guys can see how they were actually melting in my mouth. They were so airy, so tasty. I would highly guys recommend for you guys to try this recipe. You're not gonna regret it. And of course, if you like my recipes and you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next videos.